Have you ever wondered why, no matter how many side hustles you try, nothing seems to stick? Why some people break through financially, while others stay stuck? That's what the You Can series is here to change. We don't just give you hustles. We help you uncover what's really blocking your success, and then show you how to build the life you actually want. Because here's the truth. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Henry Ford said that, and it's the heartbeat of this entire channel. And here's where you begin. Take our free hustle quiz. It's quick, it's fun, and it shows you which hustle actually fits your life, your time, and your skills. Once you take the quiz, you'll get instant access to our free guide, 5 hustles that actually work. Inside, we break down step by step what's worth your time, what isn't, and how to start earning real money. But that's just the first step. Because this channel isn't only about hustles, it's about money, it's about wealth, it's about learning how to prosper, manage, and grow what you earn, so you can finally create freedom for yourself and your family. Here's what you'll find here. Side hustles that actually pay off. Money tips that help you keep and grow what you earn. Wealth building strategies used by people who've already broken free. If you've been working hard but still feel stuck financially, if you're tired of hype and want real answers that actually work, this is where things change. Subscribe now so you don't miss what's coming. Every video is designed to help you uncover what's been holding you back and replace it with proven ways to prosper. Because here at the You Can series, we believe you really can, and we're going to prove it to you. Start right now, take the quiz, get the guide, and subscribe to the channel. Your money, your hustle, your freedom. This is the You Can series.